Hello everybody, so today I will talk about triple integrals. The topic today is about find the solution of this one. So now I will show you how to answer. About the region, we have two planes in here. For the second one, we have 6, 3, 3, 12. So we divide both sides by number 3 and we have 2x plus y plus z equals to number 4. So if we look carefully about this one, we have 2x+y+z, we have 2x+y+z. That means two planes, they are parallel in here. And now we need to write about the planes. So for the first one, let's say y and z equal to number 0. So we can find about the point S is about number 3. So we have number 3 in here. Now S and Z equal to number 0, Y equal to number 6 somewhere in here. Similar this one, number 6 in here. So the plane that should be the connect of 3 points. Now the next one, when y and z equal to number 0, so we can find about s equal to number 2. So number 2 should be in here. Now when s and z equal to number 0, y is about number 4 somewhere in here. And number 4 in here. So we connect 3 points together because they are parallel in here. The next one, the cylinder, that's about s squared plus z squared equal to number 16. So the cylinder should be on s and z. So that should be somewhere in here. But they are go to parallel of s. Oh, sorry, that should be like this. So this is about the base of cylinder. And now if they go to this one, that should be parallel of y, not s. So they will go like this. Now we need to put the bounds for region in here. So because we have s squared plus z squared, so the first one we need to concentrate, that's about dy. So we have y and y in here. If we look on the graph, we can see that y, that's about this one. We see that the graph with number 4 below than the graph of number 6. So that means this one will be the bottom. This one, that is the top. So for this one, we have y equal to 6 minus 2x minus z. This one, we have y equal to 4 minus z. or minus 2x minus z. So number 4 should be about the bottom. So we have 4 minus 2x minus z. This is about the top. Now we have dz and ds. We have this one. So about dz, we have z in here. So we put this one go to the right. So we put the square root on for the both sides. We will have about positive and negative. So because we go one circle in here, so we have the bottom is about negative of 16 minus s squared, and the top that's about the square root of 16 minus s squared. This one is about the radius of the circle. The radius of this one, that's about the square root of number 16. So we have number 4. So the power of s, that's from negative number 4 to positive number 4. And now we need to calculate about this one. So because we don't have y in here, so we have s plus 2 and we have y. The bounds from 4 minus 2s minus z, and this one is 6 minus 2s minus z, and we have dz, ds. So we have the top minus the bottom, 6 minus 4, negative 2s minus negative 2s. This one they will eliminate. So we just have only 6 minus 4. So we have number 2. And now we can use about polar coordinates. So we can use about s equals to r cosine theta, z equal to r sine theta. We know that we always use y equal to r sine theta, but now we change the axis from y go to z, but the technique and the formula does not change when we change from y go to z. And we have ds, dz, we change for r, dr, d theta. And now we put everything in here. S we change for r cosine theta. Number 2 multiply with s, so we have 2. Number 2 with number 2 we have 4. Dz, ds we change for this one. About r, that's about the radius. The radius of this one is about 4. So we start from number 0 to number 4. D theta, because we go one circle in here. So we put about from 0 to 2p. And now we need to calculate about this one. So we have r multiplied by r and number 4. 2r squared cosine theta plus 4r dr d theta. The integration of r squared, we have 2r to the power of 3 over 3 cosine theta. For r, we have 4r squared over 2. And we have the powers from 0 to number 4. So we put number 4 go in here. Number 0 go in here. And we have 128 over 3 cosine theta. This one 32. And now the integral of cosine theta, that's about sine theta. This one is about theta. So we put number 0 and 2b gone here. So we have 64b. And that is the final answer.